Hi, Al. Truck driver Linda.
Hello! I'm sitting up in the front like I always am.
Where are we today? We are in Illinois. What are we going to make today? It's October. I know, y'all didn't need me to tell you that. But it's October. Our last video was a little bit of a paranormal investigation. We do like the ghost thing a little bit. I guess if anybody's interested, Hobbs, I'll post a link to my other channel, and there's some other paranormal videos on there, okay? So now that that's said, what are we going to make? October is more than just Halloween and ghost hunting and spooky. It's also Oktoberfest, right? I was like, well, we should do something German. We're going to make German Red Cabbage. And it's really easy. You need hot skillet and some vegetable cooking spray, and give it a good spray. Let it get hot. The next thing I have is I have one onion, and I cut it in half and then I cut it into slices. In the opening sequence, you'll see how I cut the onion. And an apple. I gotta eat one. Dump those in your, oh sorry. Dump those in your skillet. Okay. So those are in there. We're gonna let those cook about 5 minutes. We're gonna start letting the onion get tender and the apples to get a little bit softer. So we're looking at like 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been like maybe 5 minutes. Turn you down. Just shut. Alright. It's actually got a really good start with it. Alright, in here, I'm going to say there's about 8 to 10 cups. It's a medium-sized head of cabbage. And I'm going to say it's about 8 to 10 cups of cabbage. And I've just rough chopped it. Like, it's rough chopped. Big chunks, smaller chunks, longer chunks, thinner chunks. And I'm going to dump every bit of this in here. Right here, I've got 1/3 cup of white vinegar. And I'm going to pour that all over. And right here, I've got 1/3 cup of white sugar. Dump that everywhere. I've got 3/4 teaspoon of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix that all up. Alright, that's it. That's actually all there is to it for the next hour-ish. So for about an hour, all you want to do is just occasionally give it a little stir. So, you know, so it doesn't burn or anything like that. So you want to cover it and let it just simmer and cook for roughly an hour till the cabbage is done. I love this stuff. Okay, so in the meantime, what are we going to do in the meantime? Go for a walk?
Sure.
We're going to go for a walk. Alright. So one thing I did do, about 30 minutes into it, my vinegar had all cooked out. So I added 2 tablespoons of vinegar just to keep the liquid going. So now we're just, oh, let me get you down. We're just going to check it. Because I'm thinking it's done. I think it's done. Yeah. Let me just, alright. I'm gonna give it a taste. This stuff is so good. All right, so I'm gonna get it dished up. We're gonna get Paul back here. We're gonna see what he thinks. Paul's found his way back.
Hi.
Here. German cabbage. He's from Wisconsin. They were all about German food up in Wisconsin. Let's see if it tastes as good as your mama's.
Gladly taste this. Mm.
Mm. It
is pretty good, yeah.
Oh, it's got that really nice blend of tart and sweet. Wait, not yet. All right, y'all. That's all we got this week. That's all we got this week.
I think that's it for today.
Stop. All right. That's all we got for today, y'all. I know how to say goodbye in German.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Did you say Al?
Auf Wiedersehen.
Is it Auf Wiedersehen or Auf Wiedersehen?
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.